Dominicanos don't come that area. Dominicanos don't. For where I live, that area is Dominican free area.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so let's continue. My brother, what is your take on that woman? She says she don't want to marry a bus driver. By the way, EBONI K is her name. EBONI K is her name, so that we don't.
Of course.
Okay, so you know her.
Oh, come on. Who doesn't know EBONI K? The beautiful lawyer. The thing is this. If you watch that video carefully,
yes,
she made a statement that she cannot marry a bus driver unless the man is the owner of the bus. That is the only way she would marry a bus driver. So at first, I was going to get mad at her. Like, I mean, what is wrong in marrying a bus driver?
Exactly.
After all, as far as he can provide, and he can protect you, that's the most important thing. At least he's showing love and there's connection.
Even bus drivers can provide also. They can also fight to protect.
It's just a normal job. Exactly. As far as the money is getting is
correct, and it's enough for both of you.
That is it.
Exactly.
But then
yes,
I looked at it, of course.
There is always a but.
I looked at it from the other angle again, and then I thought about it. Imagine a woman of her status. She's a lawyer. Exactly. That has a lot of money. This is looking very, very good, as you can see. Imagine her dating a bus driver. So it's very, very difficult.
Okay. Let's say now they're living in America and all this high standards and all this. Let's say for Nigeria. Let's make it smaller for Nigeria.
Let me tell you something.
Please tell me.
If me personally, I have a daughter. That I have trained in the university, and now she has become something good in her life. She's now a lawyer in this kind of standard, this kind of status, and she's bringing up a tuk-tuk driver to come and marry her. I will swear for them.
But why now?
I will swear for them.
You just say it's a bus driver. Not doing well. But before you just say a bus driver can provide, he also...
He will not provide anything. How can a bus driver provide for a lawyer? What do you want to provide for her?
A free ride to Abuja, a free ride to Lagos.
You can provide a free ride to hell. There is nothing the bus driver can provide. But go to Nigeria and see the way they are misbehaving.
You disappoint me. I told you Hakimi fan club now.
Hakimi, yes, I have, of course. Oh, Hakimi forever.
Yes, sir.
Hakimi forever.
Yes, sir.
I will never forget that. At least for the first time, we have won. Yes, we have won. Do you know that Samson fought against Delilah and he failed? Even Adam fought against Eve. He failed. But for the first time, Hakimi, a man has won. Hey, Hakimi.
Applaud the same for him.
That is a
he give hope, but he give all the men in the world hope.
That is a son of the soil. Somebody, a man that is doing good, is doing well for himself. I'm very, very proud of him. You know, so like I was saying, a bus driver cannot marry my daughter that is a lawyer, doing well for herself.
In Nigeria.
So it's not possible. In Nigeria, God forbid about it.
Okay, now let's say in America.
Oh, in America is a different lifestyle. You know, when I was living there, I know all these things. You know, I used to see them. So bus drivers are doing well. You can see some very, very corporate people. They wear suits and all that, and they are very, very, like I said, hope. People with hope. When you see them, you see future in them. You know, they are well dressed, very respectful, and they well outspoken. You know, they even go to schools and they learn very well. You know how to drive these buses and all that, and they know what they're doing. Not compared to Nigerians, of course not. So if it was in America, my daughter brings home a bus driver that she wants to marry a bus driver. It's not like I will say yes anyways, but I will just check the man's attitude very well and see that it matches a little bit. Not because they say love is blind. These days, love cannot be blind. Not where my daughter is a liar.
Can I ask you only one question?
Yes.
You saw the video, the interview with her.
Yeah, of course I did.
She's a really good looking woman, yeah?
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Then
very
why are so many beautiful women singing?
The thing is this, my brother.
Yes.
I'll tell you something. You know, when you are up there, like a friend of mine was saying, when you are up there like half, for example, she's already up there. A lady as this beautiful as she is, and she's a lawyer. Obviously, we know that lawyers, you know how much they earn. So she's living very okay. You can see from her dressing, from the way she speaks, she's not a dog person. Exactly, she's not an average. So she must be very, very used to good style, good life. And,
high standards. They say high standard.
People like this, they will not fly the regular flight that you will fly.
No business class. First class.
First class is even.
Yeah.
Even maybe she will have her own private jet. She will be using. So you can imagine this kind of woman. She would want somebody who is a little bit at least higher than her. You see what I mean? Now it triggers the respect as well that she has.
But my brother, how higher can it get after private jet? How higher can it get after private jet?
After private jet, you can vanish. You don't need private jet. You just vanish. Let me tell you something. I can understand her somehow, but I would advise her, women like this, if you are looking for somebody who's higher than you so that you can get married, it will be difficult because sometimes there's a class that you will be, men will even be afraid to come close to you to come and ask you out. So I would advise her to just on her own use her own judgment to calm down and just get somebody that she feels she's connected with, and she will be okay in her life. That is what I can advise her. Yes. You are doing well.
Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice.